If I were to shoot a hammer-fired pistol in 5 seconds, I could do it without blinking or breaking a sweat. Endless comparisons are being made between striker-fired and hammer-fired pistols, and to be honest, there's really nothing to make a fuss about regarding these two types of pistols. Don't get me wrong, they're both incredibly good firearms, but you know how it goes. Everyone has their preferences. Which pistol is most reliable, a striker-fired or a hammer-fired one? If you picked hammer-fired pistols, you're well on your way to making informed decisions. Pistols are made to fire in different ways. It could be through utilizing a hammer system or a striker system. However, both systems work effectively. Although, based on personal preferences, some people would go for a hammer-fired pistol, although striker-fired pistols are pretty good too. And in this video, we'll show you the 6 best fire-hammered pistols in 2024. We've tested them all. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, you're watching Guns N' Roses, the #1 channel to keep you informed on all things firearm. Whether you're a pistol lover or a big fan of revolvers, we've got you covered. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and become a part of our community. Also, please do well by hitting that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post exclusive content like this one. Now, let's get on with the business of the day. Number 6. Wilson Combat SFX9. The Wilson Combat SFX9 is an aluminum-framed 9mm Luger chambered pistol. Its flush design stands out with its grip, front strap, and back strap pattern in the Wilson Combat X-Tac thread pattern. The SFX9 is considerably light and easy to carry about, weighing only 29.3 ounces when unloaded. It's available in 4 inches, 3.25 inches, and 5 inches barrel depending on your preference. The ergonomics of the Wilson Combat SFX9 is a pure work of art. Equipped with a 15-round magazine capacity, the SFX9's capacity matches that of the Glock 19, except that it's 0.2 inches taller and wider. The 4 inches barrel length of the Wilson Combat SFX9 features an overall length of 7.4 inches, a height of 5.25 inches, and a width of 1.4 inches. With all these features, the SFX9 is suitable for concealed carry. It's equipped with thumb safety to prevent accidental discharge, and the grip is completely comfortable to hold. The Wilson Combat SFX9 is reliable and efficient, and with such balance between design and performance, it's no doubt that the SFX9 is an incredible firearm. Number 5. Beretta M9. If you're conversant with the Beretta brand, you know that they make pretty amazing pistols that could be compared to the Glocks. The Beretta M9 is the personal favorite of the U.S. Armed Forces, and their reliability makes them so depended upon to deliver nicely. When unloaded, the Beretta M9 weighs 34.2 ounces, which may be a little weighty, but that doesn't deter it from doing its job. Its barrel length is 4.9 inches, its overall length is 8.5 inches, and its height is 5.4 inches. It's 1.5 inches wide, has a sturdy grip, and is equipped with a 15-round magazine. Pulling the trigger of the Beretta M9 is a piece of cake, and that's why it comes in handy for self-defense. Pulling the trigger of the Beretta M9 is a piece of cake, and that's why it comes in handy for self-defense. Number 4. Springfield XD. Manufactured by Springfield Armory, the XD is a 9mm caliber pistol with an A+ magazine capacity. Its distinct polymer frame gives it a firm grip, and aiming at the target is a walkover, as it's equipped with a fiber optic front sight and fixed 2 dots for rear sight. Its dimensions are 7.2 inches in length, 5 inches in height, and 1 inch in width, and the weight when unloaded is 26.4 ounces. With varieties of barrel lengths such as 3.3, 3.8, and 4.5 inches, and upside to the Springfield XD is its reliable firing mechanism. When the Springfield XD was released, it instantly stole the hearts of many. Before the XD was made, Spring Armory mostly made 1911 variants or striker-fired handguns. Regarding its safety, you can trust the Springfield XD not to turn on you. It's a double action and single action pistol with a safety that serves as a decocker mounted on the frame. Moving up to the top 3 on our list, we have the Staccato P. The Staccato P isn't a pistol you want to mess with. When discussing the best hammer-fired pistols, the Staccato P has to be on the list. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and shooting accuracy, the Staccato is one of the big boys in the game. This 9mm caliber pistol isn't just any kind of pistol. It's a stainless steel single-action pistol with a 17+1 magazine capacity. It weighs 37 ounces when unloaded, but even when loaded, it comes in handy. The Staccato P possesses a barrel length of 4.4 inches and an overall length of 8.1 inches. Its grip is 1.3 inches wide and has a height of 5.8 inches. The Staccato P uses the Dawson Precision Optics System, featuring a serrated black square notch rear with adjustable drift. The trigger control of the Staccato P is incredible, just like any other hammer-fired pistol. The Staccato P is your best bet if you're looking for a hammer-fired pistol that won't give you any trouble or even tilt toward jamming. The top 2 on our list of 6 best hammer-fired pistols in 2024 that are tested and trusted is the Beretta 92FS. To have made it on our list, you must concur that the Beretta 92FS has got something undeniable up its sleeve. Permit me to say it that way. It's a 9mm double-action and single-action pistol. This 15-round magazine capacity hammer-fired pistol is designed to resist rough handling. Of course, no one expects you to treat your pistol like trash, but just in case you take it through some tough times, the Beretta 92FS is strong enough to resist wear. Its dimensions are a barrel length of 4.9 inches, an overall length of 8.5 inches, and 34.4 ounces of weight. It features a large grip, and considering the size of the Beretta 92FS, its magazine capacity is somewhat low. However, that doesn't make it any less incredible. Top 2 on our list, the 92FS is a great catch. For safety purposes, the Beretta 92FS is equipped with a decocking safety system combined with positive thumb safety. Its ergonomics cancels every chance of the gun jamming on you, and this is a very good thing, especially if you consider how much guns jam nowadays. And now, on to the last, but in no way the least fired hammer gun on our list today, the SIG Sauer P226 takes first place. Suited for a handful of purposes, the SIG Sauer P226 is a masterpiece in this category. A 9mm parabellum ammunition hammer-fired pistol, the SIG Sauer P226 will always save the day. With an overall length of 7.72 inches, a barrel length of 4.41 inches, and a width of 1.5, it weighs 34 ounces. Its magazine capacity is 12+1 rounds. This double-action semi-auto pistol is the most durable and reliable you'll find in this category. Chambered in 40 S&W, it's a classic with polymer grip. It features a flush design and its magazine box is detachable. With the SIG Sauer P226, your safety is guaranteed. It possesses an external decocker, thumb safety, and a firing pin block so your pistol doesn't go off accidentally. As you've rightfully seen, hammer-fired pistols are packed with safety features for enhanced protection. The reliability and efficiency of hammer-fired pistols cannot be overemphasized. They have the best trigger control, they're easy to disassemble, and maintaining your gun is paramount to its longevity. Whether you pick a hammer-fired pistol for home defense or competition purposes, rest assured that you won't be caught off guard by malfunction when handling any of the pistols we've discussed here. They're very dependable and perform well with high accuracy. And there you have it. 6 of the best hammer-fired pistols in 2024 that are hands-on tested. When selecting a pistol, it's imperative to consider the purpose for which you need it, your budget, and how comfortably it fits in your hand. If you found this video helpful and informative, please do well by liking it and sharing it with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't already, please help us build our community by subscribing to our channel. Remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post more videos on all kinds of firearms. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.